ദേവാച്ചന് നന്നായിട്ടറിയാം.
അദ്ദേഹം കാണാത്തതായി
ഒരു വശ്യ ശക്തിയുണ്ട്. എന്തു നേടുമ്പോഴും അതിന് വഴി തരുന്ന.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and in this video I will be watching the trailer of Devadutan. This film is re-releasing again in the theaters, and well, a lot of people have asked me that please do not miss it out. I have obviously reacted to its songs long back, one of its songs, and I think two songs. So the thing is that I know it's probably here in Delhi NCR. It'll get a couple of shows, but I'm not really sure if they will, like, the movie is going to have subtitles. If it does, I mean, I'm going to figure out. Let's figure it out. But I want to watch the trailer. So they have re-released the trailer as well. It was released without subtitles. But Jitin, MTT Creations, claps for Jitin. He has subtitled the video for me. Thank you so much. Always to my rescue, guys. So let's not delay this any further. It's a 2-minute trailer. Let's watch this right away.
ഇതെന്റെ കോളേജാണ്. എന്നെ അറിയാത്ത ഒന്നും ഇവിടെ
24 years.
വിശാൽ കൃഷ്ണമൂർത്തിയുടെ വരവോടുകൂടി ഇവിടെ പല അതിശയങ്ങളും സംഭവിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പരിചയപ്പെടുത്താൻ ഇവനേക്കാൾ വലിയൊരാൾ തൽക്കാലം എന്റെ കയ്യിലില്ല.
ഞാൻ കാണുന്നതിനുമപ്പുറം നിങ്ങളിൽ എന്തോ ഒരു ശക്തിയുണ്ട്.
നമ്മൾ ആഗ്രഹിച്ചു, ഇദ്ദേഹം നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടി വന്നു.
ഇനി ഞാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ എന്നോട് പറയാം.
ശവദർശനാണ് അതിനെ ഞങ്ങൾ വിളിച്ചത്. അത് വായിക്കാൻ വടക്കുന്ന ഒരാൾ വന്നു.
മഹേഷ്. അവർ പരസ്പരം സ്നേഹിച്ചു. ഒരുതരം ഡീപ് പാഷൻ.
Oh, there's some backstory.
ആ സപ്തസ്വരമണികളും തുടച്ചു വെച്ച് മാഡം അയാളെ കാത്തിരിക്കുന്നുവെന്ന് ദേവാച്ചന് നന്നായിട്ടറിയാം.
അദ്ദേഹം കാണാത്തതായി ഈ ലോകത്ത് ഒന്നും തന്നെയില്ല.
അവന്റെ സ്നേഹത്തിനും അവൻ നൽകിയ സംഗീതത്തിനും എന്തോ ഒരു വശ്യ ശക്തിയുണ്ട്. എന്തു നേടുമ്പോഴും അതിന് വഴി തരുന്ന ആരോ എന്റെ മുന്നിലുണ്ട് എന്ന് എനിക്ക് എപ്പോഴും തോന്നാറുണ്ട്. അയാൾ സംഗീതത്തിന്റെ രാജാവാണ്.
അതൊരു ദൈവ സാന്നിധ്യമാണ്.
ഈ അന്തരീക്ഷത്തിൽ എവിടെയോ ഒരു ശക്തിയുണ്ട്. ആ ശക്തിക്ക് ആരോടോ എന്തോ പറയാനുണ്ട്. Somebody wants to say something to someone.
Wow. I categorically told him I want this trailer subtitle because I want to watch the trailer at least if I'm not able to catch the film. I at least want to watch the trailer and like be happy. That is so cool, guys. That is so cool. The fact that one can just experience this level of music. First, I'm very excited for the musical part of it because the songs, the two songs that I reacted were just phenomenal, like next level, guys. Beautiful songs, and just to experience that theatrically is going to be amazing. Like, for those who are going to watch it again in theaters, it's going to be amazing. For those who have watched it in television and will be able to watch it in theaters, I think it's great. It's great that the classics keep re-releasing time and again, which I do want that to happen for all great films that, you know, they have. If we have not watched in the theaters, we can catch it in the theaters now. So, but I really wish now with the re-releasing of, you know, cult classics or timeless classics, you know, regional films, specifically from regional film industries, I really want that the effort is taken to subtitle the film, because someone like me, like, there's an audience, guys, producers, makers, filmmakers, there's an audience like me. Maybe it's a very small sect, but who would really like to go to the theater and watch such films. So firstly, I'm very excited for the musical part of it, like how good it's going to sound. I'm very, very happy to see the trailer. Now I have so much context. Now I have so much context about the film. So there is, obviously he comes as a teacher, but there is also a past story which is going on parallelly, which will go on parallelly. So there are two timelines that we follow in this story, which is, amazing. And this gives me also the feel of, this movie is sort of my kind of film. I think when I had reacted to the song long back, that was I think in 2020 when the channel had just started, and I remember somebody told me that this film, I think it did not do like as well at that time, like in terms of like commercial success, but it really found its cult following. But when I watched the trailer, I can kind of guess why, because this trailer also feels very, very magical, and I completely understand that somebody might feel that, this story is probably too far-fetched. It's not real, it's too far-fetched, like this doesn't make sense. I can completely understand if that was kind of the thought process at that time. But me being me, I love magical stories. Like, this is something I know for a fact that I would be so invested in. I would be so freaking invested in. So if it releases here with subtitles, guys, wow, nothing like it for me then. So let me know, are you guys excited? I'm sure most of you are excited to catch this film in the theaters, but still, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And I'm gonna sign off now from this video. That was my reaction to the trailer of Devadutan, Messenger of God, and I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.